Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Teck, and in this video I will talk about different Play Store rewards, and I will also talk about how to use the Play Store rewards. Okay, so here you can see where you will find the rewards. To find the rewards you have to go to the account section and then you have to click here in the rewards. Okay, so here you can see a reward is available in my account and you have to just click on the get reward and then you can see the details for the reward. Okay, here you can see rupees 40 discount from play on an app, game or in-app item. Okay, so here you can see, and this says saved and expires 5/7/2020. Okay, so here you can see valid for a 40 discount against any one app, game or in-app item with an on store price greater than rupiah 40 and at the time the purchase is made on Google Play. Okay, so if you want to buy an app above 40 rupees you will get 40 discount, or this will works on game also. Here you can see app or game, and you can also buy in-app items in different games. Okay, with the help of this. Okay, so let's show you how to use the rewards. Okay, so go to the top charts. Okay, here you can see top paid games and let's select any game above 40 rupees, and then here you can see, let's tap here and then you can see 142. Okay, so here you can see rupees 40 credit from Google original price 180. Okay, so if I buy this Grand Theft Auto now I have to pay 142 rupees. Okay, so I will get 40 discount as the offer is available on this account. Okay, so here you can see 40 credit from Google original price. Okay, so if you want to buy some games, some apps, you will get 40 discounts if the game or app is above 40 rupees. Okay, so here you can see if I go to 30 rupees application and just try to buy this, and here you can see you will not get the discount for this application. Okay, here you can see, so with the help of this you can buy games and you will get a low price and you will get 40 rupees discount, which offer is now available. Okay, so if you are interested in these kinds of offer, please tell me in the comment section and I will upload videos when I will get this kind of offers and I will let you know with the help of my video. Okay, so that's it for now, and if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and share these videos with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye.